boy Mr. Mitos, back with another video. So check this out, guys. It is almost 7 and I am at the park for a new series that I want to start called Fish Scale Fridays. So every Friday I'm gonna get out here and run one of my fish scales. So today I got this bad boy on the chopping block. This is my original Outcast 8S. This is the very first Arrma RC that I ever owned. And I've been through hell and back with this truck. So just to give you some updates of what I've done with this. So coming back into the hobby, 2020, no, 2020, yeah, right before COVID. I ended up getting this bad boy and started doing my homework, learned about Castle, just really dialed it in, had some brakes, had some replacements. I don't know if you guys remember T-Bone Racing before they went out of business. Got a couple of wheelie bars from T-Bone Racing. These are the Proline Masters. I don't know, I've never ran it with these tires. They were just sitting in my garage, that's why they're this color. So I'm gonna put these on here. Gonna take it over there and just gonna run it for a little bit. This was like one of my first bodies that I ever painted with a color flip too. So I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if we can get that in the sun. You guys can check that color flip out. But it's got a pearl on there too. So I just bought some batteries. These are those Ace, Gen Ace bashing 6800 milliamp 120C lipos. So got it connected to my DX5C, because I didn't feel like changing the receiver, having to pull all this crap up to change the receiver to run my Radio Master. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a rip for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna get up out of here because I gotta go to dinner. This is the Vigilante. This might have been in my truck since the last time I've been at this park when it was raining, and it's been in there all week. I ain't even take it out yet. So it's too damn lazy. But I'll have to take it out tomorrow because I got another truck that I'm gonna run tomorrow, and then we'll be back up here. So enough yapping, let's get to it. I do have a fan on here. I actually took that fan off and put it on my DBXLE, so I don't know how it's gonna run with temps. The gearing on here is a 52 pinion and a 34 tooth spur. So yeah, it's geared to run, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit temp on here, especially trying to bash it. But that's why I'm not gonna be out here very long. I told my wife 10 minutes. She's sitting in the truck right now. So doing this for you guys. I do not have a GPS in it. Didn't plan to get any type of speed running in it at all. Let me do the travel on here. It's at 50%. Like when I say I haven't driven this truck in 2+ years, guys. So I have no clue what to expect. So, whoa. So we gonna just see what it could do. Oh, it's moving. I got it on 50% throttle. You guys, just to see, 50% throttle. Try to keep it close. A couple of dips here. But yeah, it's moving, man. Okay. That's 50%. Right. Yes, sir. This is my favorite truck, guys. There's not a truck on the planet that I like better than this guy. The Outcast 8S. I should have brought that GPS, because it's moving. Again, 50%, guys, holding wheelies on 50. Good thing these tires is belted. I'm probably gonna hit thermal real quick, like. Yeah, she moving. Look at that, guys. I very rarely use the brake. I just let it ride out. But braking causes heat too. I got that special motor mount in there from, I think it's from PPS or something like that. That's for a throttle. I do want to bump the speed up a little bit, but I know if I do that, it's gonna flip. And I got J's on my feet and I don't feel like getting in this grass. Spectators. Yeah, she moving. She moving. Yes, sir. Throttle. 50% throttle, guy. I think this mug moving like it's probably doing 45, maybe close. Yep, probably about 45 miles an hour. Off-road, yeah, it's moving, guys. So like I said, every Friday I will post a vid of one of my fifth scales. Got quite a few of them, so it'll take me a couple months, maybe 3, possibly 4 months to get through them. But just get out here and let her stretch her legs. That's about it. Knock that shelf dust off. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah. Yeah, completely. This mug is completely overpowered. I mean, it's powered. The gearing is out of this world. And she's squatting too. The ass squatting on it. Digging in there. This is probably the best surface for these type of tires. For these mashers, this length of grass, where it's like a mix of high, low, dry, wet grass. These work well because you get to twist the back of it around, and at the same time it's got grip too. So hello. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh, you want to take a picture?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Oh man. All right, guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. I just wanted to let this mug stretch his legs. Let you know, yes. Oh, handstand. That wheelie bar is a savior. My wife sitting there, she like, come on. I want it probably hit thermal. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, guys, that's it. No more juice or it hit temp. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it quits right here. I gotta get in this damn grass anyway. Oh, shit. Didn't want to do this. But it is what it is, folks. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy's channel. Let me see if I can get a picture real quick. Get a pic real quick. It's a thumbnail. Bow. All right, guys. It's your boy, Mr. Mitos. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Every Friday, I'm gonna drop a fifth scale Friday vid. Pulling one of these bad boys off the shelf. Stretching his legs, letting it run. Again, it's got an 800 kV XLX2 combo, 52, 34 gears. And it is ready to run. So, it is what it is, guys. Peace and blessings. What the hell is it? I'm here. Oh yeah, that's the famous beep of over temp. All right, guys, I'm gone.